Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to the channel. Today we are making succulent addictive braised fish. You guys, this is so easy to make, but it is so delicious, and I think you guys will love it too. Today I'm using swordfish, but you can use any firm fish that you like. I'm also gonna add ginger and garlic and sauces. I'm gonna go over the sauces with you later. I've cut my fish into bite size. I added some salt. I'm gonna let that sit for about 10 to 15 minutes, and then I'm gonna pat it dry. Now I'm ready to add my flour. I'm coating the fish with the flour, and I want to make sure that every piece is nicely coated. Now I'm ready to shallow fry, and I'm using medium heat. I'm gonna add my fish now that my oil is nice and hot. Now they're nicely golden. I'm ready to flip them. I'm not looking to cook the fish through. I just wanted them nice and golden, and we will continue to cook them in the sauce. I've only fried them in the oil for about a couple of minutes. I'm dumping out the oil into another dish. I've cleaned the pan, and now I'm adding back a couple tablespoons of the same oil. Next, I'm adding my crushed garlic and ginger. I'm gonna let that go until it's fragrant. Next, I'm ready to add my sauces. I'm adding apple cider vinegar, soy sauce, pomegranate molasses. If you don't have it, you can use plum sauce, you can use oyster sauce. Those are fine too. And I'm also gonna add honey. I'm whisking that around so everything is nicely mixed. Now I'm ready to add cornstarch, but I'm first gonna mix it with a little bit of water before I add it. As usual, I will add all the ingredient amounts in the description box, so do check that out. I'm whisking in the cornstarch. Final step to making the sauce, I'm adding a little bit of water. Once the sauce comes to a simmer, I'm ready to add the fish in there. Move that around gently and let it cook in the sauce for about 4 to 5 minutes, and this amazing, succulent, addictive fish will be ready. I use swirling motion to make sure that all the fish pieces are nicely coated in this delicious sauce. And now we're ready to serve this beautiful fish. Doesn't that look so good? We usually like to eat it with white rice, and that's exactly what we're having it with today. I hope you guys give it a try, and I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share with your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. That helps me out. I will talk to you in the next one. Take care. Assalamu alaikum.